guys, welcome back to BD Studios. We've been busy in the studio.
Yes, we have.
It's Summerween. It's a thing. A lot of people do it. So once you get in the mood, you can't stop yourself. So right here, I'm making a quick little monster ornament. All you need for this project is a foam or styrofoam clay ball, a styrofoam ball, right? Then just cover it in air dry clay, like I'm doing there in the video. And so here I'm making little eyeballs. And if you've never worked with clay, it's really fun. We're teaching an online class this upcoming Thursday, August 21st. If you want more information, send us an email to bdstudios@gmail.com. You can join the class and join the fun and learn how to make these fun little ornaments.
Good for all ages.
So what I'm doing now is I'm cutting out the clay so I can give it like the outside of the eyelids or the socket or, you know, whatever comes. So I like the fact that you can manipulate the clay and do whatever you want to with it. So it's just a matter of adding a little bit of water and just making it come together. I know this is not a project easy for everybody if you've never sculpted. So if you're interested, reach out to us and
we have classes going all the time.
yes, bdstudios@gmail.com. All right, it's time for the nose. My favorite part, look at giving it nostrils. It's cute. So it takes a little bit of manipulation, and then what makes it go down in glue is the water. And then after you apply the water, you just kind of smooth things out and just zhuzh it a little bit. If you marked it with your hands, you go back and you
Smooth it out.
smooth it out. So here I'm making a little mouth.
People think that this is sped up, but no, this is really how you move.
This is how I roll.
That's right.
One speed go. So I smoothed it out there and applied the lips, and it's little sideways mouth there, like a little pucker. But I took my time then and pushed it up just a little bit so it looks sideways. And then I'm like, it needs a tooth. There you go. Pop that baby out. There you go.
Smooth it out.
Yeah, more smoothing, more softening, more blending. You don't want to be able to see where the lips start and the face ends. That's what makes it more professional, I guess that's right. Oh, pupils. Oh, a scar. Every monster has scars. Some stitches there. So in this class, we'll be doing this and painting. Thank you for watching. Hope you reach out to us. Have a great day.
See you guys.